Hi everyone, it's Anja from Cooking with Plants and welcome to my channel. So I've just come back from the gym and I've had my shower and I'm starving, so I like to have a quick and easy breakfast prepared ahead of time on those days in particular. And one of my favorite things that I'm absolutely obsessed with at the moment is lemon cream overnight oats. They are just out of this world. They taste so amazing and they're simple to make. They have healthy ingredients and they actually taste like you're having dessert for breakfast. So it doesn't get much better than that. So let's get into the recipe.
Cooking with plants, vegan made easy.
Okay, so for this recipe, I like to use a glass container or a plastic container. I prefer a flat type of container just so it mixes up nicely, but you could put this into a mason jar and then give it a shake up, put the lid on top and you're good to go. But today I'm using this glass container, and to start with I'm adding a cup of oats, and I've got organic rolled oats here. Then I'm also adding in some chia seeds. So I've got 2 tablespoons of chia seeds here. And chia seeds are great for your omega-3s. Very, very good for you. And then it's time to add the liquids to this. So to start with, I've got 1.5 cups of almond milk, but you could use any plant-based milk that you like. My almond milk is unsweetened, but again, if you like things very, very sweet, then you could use a sweetened plant-based milk as well. Oat milk would also taste great in here. It would make it very, very creamy, but because I've already got the oats, I like to add something different. So whether it's some soy milk or, like I said, the almond milk, makes it taste really delicious. And then a little bit of sweetness here. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. If you don't like using maple syrup or you don't want processed sweetener in this, then you could also use some date syrup. That would be amazing. Or even just blend up some dates with a little bit of water and lemon juice, make it a puree, and then use that as your sweetener in this. I'm also adding in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That vanilla smells so good. And then I'm going to add the juice of half of a lemon, because essentially we're having lemon cream overnight oats. So this will actually curdle the milk a little bit and it gives it a buttermilk type of consistency, a creamy consistency, and it makes it nice and thick, almost like a yogurt type of consistency. It's really, really delicious, and that's where the dessert effect comes from. Okay, so give this a good stir through, and then you're just going to put the lid on this and put it in the fridge overnight, and it lasts for a good 3 days, so you can make this ahead of time too. It's great. This is 2 serves worth. I split this into separate bowls when I go to serve it, and then you can also top it with extra fruit, or if you wanted some flaked coconut or flaked almonds. Absolutely delicious. And I'll leave a link for this recipe down below as well. Now I've also got something that I've already made. So this was 1 lot of this that I made last night. So you can see it's just gone thick, creamy and delicious. And it's also great to use instead of yogurt. So you could put this onto some fruit salad or onto pancakes with some fruit. It's really, really tasty. So I hope that you make this, give it a try. Come on over to the Facebook group and join us and show me the photos of what you make, and also how you serve this. If you add the extra fruits, if you add some chopped walnuts on top, for example, all those types of things. And remember, oats are amazing for you. They lower cholesterol. They're great for heart health. Absolutely delicious. So give this recipe a try, and I'll see you soon for the next recipe. Bye for now. Breakfast time. So creamy. Yum.